So you might be wondering, how does the Instax Mini SE Lite settings actually work here? Well, there are a few things that you may want to understand here in order for you to start using it properly. So, first things first, you want to know what the brightness dial does. So the Instax Mini SE has a brightness control dial around the lens. Now, turning this dial changes how light or dark your photo will be. Instead of fancy menus, you manually tell the camera whether it should make the photo lighter or darker before you shoot. Next is you want to understand the four main brightness modes here. Now, the dial usually shows multiple icons like indoor, house, cloudy, sunny, or bright sunny. Now, each settings here tells the camera how much light you expect. Now, for indoor or house, for rooms or low light. Now, cloudy or overcast here for mild outdoor light. Now, sun or partly sunny for strong daylight. Now, bright sun or high light for very bright conditions. Now, turning the dial towards brighter icons make the camera adjust for more light, which helps if your shots are too dark. Now, you want to go and just match the dial to the lighting you see. Now, look at the light around you before shooting. So, indoors, you want to go and just use the indoor or house. Now, for overcast day, you want to go and just use cloudy. The bright sunny outdoors, you want to go and use sun or bright sun icons, depending on how bright it is. Now, if your photo comes out too dark, you went too low. Turn the dials towards brighter settings next time. Now, next is you want to take a test shot to fine tune it. Now, since Instax film is one shot only, try a test photo or two early in your session to make sure your dial choice matches the lighting. Instant cameras don't give feedback before printing, so estimating by eye helps a lot. Now, also don't forget flash and shadows. So Instax flash always fires unless inhibited by poor lighting. That's good in shade or indoors, but can wash out photos in really bright light. Now, if you're outdoors or in very light sun, use the brightest dial icon so the camera reduces brightness and the flash doesn't overpower the scene. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.